Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the new Haley avatar decoration on Discord by completing the new First Descendant quest promoted by Nexon. Now this quest is part 1 of their two-parter quest, in which they will feature 2 different Discord avatars each week, and for this first week will be the Haley avatar decoration. So firstly, before we do anything, we have to accept a quest, and to find quests now, they're no longer in your settings. I mean, you can still find them, but they are removing them from your settings. So now you have to go to the server discovery, which is on the left side underneath all of your servers and folders. And once you go into the discovery, then quests will be the bottom tab on the left here. And once you're here, then we could see the quest. We could also see the other quests they're offering, but this is the one that we want to do because it has a Discord reward. So you're just going to click accept quest here for the First Descendant one, and then once you accept it, it'll show your progress here and your percentage on the avatar. Now it says you have to play the game for 15 minutes. Now there are 2 different ways you could install this game. Either you could install it from its main website, or you can install it on Steam. If you are a Steam gamer, then I would choose to go with Steam because it's just a lot easier way to do it, because you could just use Steam. So I'll show both ways now. The first way, of course, you can click on the top right here and click on Get Game. Visit the site, and it will take you to the First Descendant site here. And as you can see, they're celebrating Season 1. And if we actually go to the quest here, we could see that next week's quest will be for this avatar, which I will make a video on as well. And if we go back to the main page here and we go to the top right to play, we can see all the different places that they offer it on, but as you can see, Steam is the option for PC. If you're on a console, then you'll have to play it on console and connect your console account to your Discord account. But if you are on PC, you will have to use Steam. Now, you can just click on here from the website, but if you do have Steam up like me, you could simply go to the Steam store and you could search up the First Descendant here. We could go to the game, and then you just scroll down and there'll be a button to add the game to your library for free. And then once it is in the library, you could go to your library here and search up the game. I have quite a few games, so I do have to search it up. And you could find the game here, and as you can see, it is only 38 gigabytes, which hopefully you have enough space to download it. But you'll basically install the game, and once it's installed, you will play the game and this progress bar will go up. Now make sure that Discord reads that you're playing the game, or else no progress will be made. And remember, if you're using a console, you have to be connected with that console in order for the progress bar to go up. So if you're on PlayStation, you have to make sure you have your console connected with PlayStation, either PS5 or PS4, and make sure that it is actively, like when you're playing the game, you have to make sure that in Discord, it reads that you're playing the game and actually says playing the First Descendant on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Then you'll definitely be getting progress because you'll know that it's properly connected. Same for Xbox. You want to make sure that your Xbox account is connected, and same thing. You have to make sure that it says playing the First Descendant on Xbox S or Xbox whatever you're on. So other than that, though, as long as you have those settings set up, then you can claim the reward. So anyways though, guys, that will be a wrap on how to get the new Haley avatar decoration. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can leave them in my Discord server, which is also linked in the description below. As well as, once we hit 350 subscribers, we will be hosting another Nitro giveaway in my Discord server, so make sure to subscribe and join my server. And as well as, we are going for 500 as our first main major goal. So help me get that by subscribing, and make sure to check out my other videos. I do post a lot of Discord tutorials, and I listen to what people want, so I make the tutorials that people want to see. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.